Managing Files and Folders, Chapter 6. Students, today in this chapter, we will read about files and folders, creating, saving, closing, and opening a file, creating, opening, and closing a folder. Files and folders. After working in a software, to save your work, you have to give a suitable name. When you give a suitable name, the software creates a file. These files contains data. So, a file is an object that stores data. On the other hand, a folder is a place in the memory of a computer. It can stores many files. Arranging files and folders. If you go to a library, you will see that a library has many books. They are arranged in such a manner that one can easily find out the book they want. Likewise, a computer has many files in it. You can arrange them so that you can find the file you want. So these files can be arranged in folders. The proper arrangement of files is known as file management. Working with files and folders. Creating and saving a new file. To create a new file in Microsoft Word, number 1, open Microsoft Word 2010. It opens with a blank page. Next, type the text on the blank page. After completing work, click on the File tab. Next, click on the Save option. The Save As dialog box appears. In the left pane of the dialog box, choose the location where you want to save your file. Next, type the file name in the file name box. And finally, click on Save. The file will be saved on your computer. Opening a file. To open a file present in a folder, number 1, open the folder where you have saved the file, and then locate the file in the folder and double click on it. The file will be open. Closing a file. To close a document in Microsoft Word 2010, first of all, click on the File tab and then click on the Close option from the menu. After closing a document in Microsoft Word, you can click on Close button on the top right corner of the Word document to exit Microsoft Word 2010. Creating a new folder. To create a new folder, there are some steps need to be followed. Number 1, right-click on a blank area on the desktop. A pop-up menu appears. Next, point your mouse pointer at New. And then click on the folder option from the submenu that appears. A new folder appears on the desktop. Type the desired name for the folder and press enter. The folder will be created. You can give a name to your folder, for example, my computer book. Opening a folder. To open a folder, there are some steps. Number 1. Right click on the folder. A shortcut menu opens. Next, click on Open. The folder gets open. Closing a folder. To close a folder, similarly, there are some steps need to be followed. Number 1. In the folder window, click on the Organize button and then click on the Close option from the drop-down menu. You can also close a folder by clicking on the Close button on the top right corner of the folder window. So that's the end of the lesson. Thank you.